Hola, mi nombre es Hugo Sánchez y mi hijo Nicolás. Eh, bueno, estamos con el orgánico hace muchos años.
Well, I'm Nicolas, I'm Hugo's son. We believe in organic production because it helps not only to the people, also to the environment. So we can see it here in the orchard that since this orchard is organic, it's our first orchard that we convert to organic, and we can see now more animals, more insects, and so on, like more frogs, and the nature is more natural here. So we can see that organic changed the environment. Well, it's our main business. All our orchards are organics. Well, here we have some gala apples that we will pick them in 15 days more. There we have some pears. I hope you can enjoy it when you eat the apples.